Hello viewer, here I am going to take a text. So that's a text I have taken there. I will change the color of the text. For that purpose we will select the whole text there. I will make it fixed. Then we will align it into the center. Increase the size of it. I will take the changes there. So there we have it. I will generate the clipping mask as well. So that's it, how the text is looking there.